Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, etc. And today we are doing our ultra modern home build video. This is a progress video. We're making some decisions on final finishes for things. As you can see, we have our island in here with beautiful, beautiful quartzite material. Quartz is a man-made product. Quartzite is natural. And we did this huge kind of block look. And then I have this floating butcher block that protrudes out for seating, which is really cool. And so we're deciding on colors. You know, we're thinking about something like this that has like gray and brown both in it. This is our floor that we're gonna have going down. So it's like a medium brown. So we're trying to figure out what looks best with what. This is gonna be some other woods in the house. I also have a darker brown stain option here we're considering. So we're putting the final touches on, finally, on everything. After 2 years of hard work from everybody involved, we are finally coming to the end of the road. So I just wanted to give you a brief tour. We have our 10-inch duct coming down here. 10-inch duct is perfect for an 1100 CFM cooktop hood. This one is gonna have a big one, a 5-foot long one. I have 2 5-foot ranges going here, not 2 5-foot ranges. I have a 5-foot range made up of 2 30-inch ranges going here. So you'll have a double oven built in the island. It's gonna be very cool. This is the elevator, got installed. That's pretty fantastic. This is the call button for the elevator. It's pretty cool. Power's not on yet. We're still waiting for Edison to give us permanent power. So we're getting close to that as well. We have our cabinets installed. We have our countertops in. We're gonna start working on the backsplashes. We're starting to put the details on the walls, like we have our brick wall here and the stairwell, and that carries on into the dining room area. And this I'm really excited about. Once you get the stairs done and the railing and our chandeliers here, it's gonna look amazing. So I'm really excited about this. We have our wet bar here in the corner. This is opposite the kitchen. The kitchen's on the other side there. We're starting to design, we're gonna have some glass shelves with some glass beveled brick tile. It's gonna look stunning. Excited for you guys to see that. We have our countertops installed again. We're marking the sink centers for the fabricator. And then, we have everything covered right now, so we don't want to mess with that. But this is going to be like a little wet bar nook area here. So you can have, we're going to put a wine fridge in here, and we'll have some glass shelving here for your alcohol or whatnot. It could be a buffet center too, or like a beverage center, or it could be a coffee bar. There's a lot of things it could be. So we have our fireplace in. I know it's covered, but it's a split face. It's actually, I think, a negro machina is the marble. It's a black marble with white veins. I think it's called something else from this supplier. This is Arizona Tile product. As you can see, the view here, this is the moneymaker here. This is why this house is being built here. It's a hard build, but this view is the best view in Rancho Cucamonga. So it's gonna be pretty stunning. We got these big doors here and windows so that you can soak in all that view. And we got a giant deck on the outside here, which will have a great place to hang out, party. Here we are in the master bedroom, one of the biggest bedrooms in the house. I do have another master downstairs that's a little bit bigger, but this one has a really big bathroom, which I'll show you in a second. It's got its own private balcony here, which is gorgeous. And again, with the double slider doors, taking advantage of the view. The top deck, as you can see, makes a roof over this deck. So you'll have shade in the summer and protection in the winter. It's a pretty great place to hang out. Here we are in the master bathroom. We have 2 vanities right here. And then we're gonna have a nice, beautiful tub in the middle. I'm really excited for you guys to see this tub. It's got like a scalloped edge thing happening. It looks like a piece of art. It's so gorgeous. Natural light coming in here as well. All the natural lighting in this house is fantastic because it's south facing and it's on a hillside and there's nothing behind us. So it's just got sunlight coming in on all directions. We have our shower here. This is a semi-steam shower. It's not quite, I'm not pumping in steam in the shower, but I made it an enclosed box with a waterproof ceiling, and the door will make a complete seal on here. So once you fire up the shower, it'll just fill up with steam. We have some really cool fixtures in here that I'm excited for you to see too. We got a body sprays, hand shower, ceiling mounted shower head. We also have a waterfall over the seat. So that's gonna be really exciting. We got our master closet here. This will have a barn door that goes over it. And then we're putting in some cedar on the back walls to keep the moths away and keep everything smelling fresh. And then we have our closet organizers going in. So that's gonna be next. Here we have our metal stringers for our steps. There are temporary steps right now, but eventually we'll have big, nice 3.5-inch block treads. That'll look gorgeous, stained to match all the flooring. And then we have our secret elevator machine room back behind here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little door behind here. You crawl back here and you disappear into the machine room. So, be a good place for kids to hide, but they shouldn't be. We have a separate kitchen on the lower level. This is called the dirty kitchen. This is where we're gonna have another stove here, got a hood here, another fridge going in here, sink over here. This is where you can do a lot of food prep, especially really stinky foods, or if you just don't want your house to smell like cooking, you can prepare all the food down here. And there you go.